you can see my screen.
Yes, yeah, I've seen the NetSuite screen.
Yeah, NetSuite screen, right? So I have, this is demo account. This is my company demo account, and so I just wanted to know, do you like in NetSuite? What did you know about, like, in functional stuff and technical point of view? So, what type of knowledge you have previously, or
Okay, right now I'm working with Nilmed pharmaceutical company. They already
okay,
do NetSuite. They already implemented NetSuite 10 years ago. So I
okay.
got used NetSuite with that company couple of months onwards. But I know all the screens and what is, I know the some activities and payments and sales reports and everything. We just got used these windows, but I don't know how to run in the back end, how to functionally, and how to this and all. I don't know as a programmer knowledge, and that and all I don't have it. I have some user knowledge. That's it.
User knowledge, right? Okay. So, do you have that this PDF right with you that I have provided? Maybe you have, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, other than that, are you okay with all this topic, or other than that, you also want some other topic to be included in this PDF? Functionally, I think for functional consultant, it will be enough. So, do you know any process that I have to include in this PDF?
No, I don't know that. What do I need to do? Actually, where working,
Okay.
oh, they are going to take me into some employee into NetSuite. So for that for that purpose, do I need to have some any programming knowledge or just only functional?
Yeah, that I need to confirm from your side. So, what will be your role? It is administrator role. It is going to be administrator role, or it is going to be wholly NetSuite consultant role. Both include functional and technical.
No,
So,
only not administrator role, I think.
hmm, only consultant role. So it will include functional and technical both.
Maybe because already I know some of the guys who are working in the same company. They are do some
Hmm.
forms. They're
Forms.
whether they're asking uh, um, um, some forms, reports, generate the reports and forms and this and all.
Right. No, no.
Yeah,
Yeah, forms. So, okay. So they do scripting,
scripting. Yeah, you need
like coding.
yeah
Yeah,
some
yeah.
the coding. We don't need to write the complete, but we have to know minimum basic of the how to
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah,
everything.
definitely. Yeah, definitely. So I have included that in my topic as well, because it is not purely functional job. I think as per our discussion right now. So I have included that customization as well, like form customization, how to create a fields into forms, records, and different type of fields. Also, I have included save searches and workflows, which is the technical plus functional part.
Asking some customizations as well as the order to cash, procure to pay, this and
Yes.
all. Yeah.
Yeah, order to cash and procure to pay, it's like a totally functional thing. So it
Okay.
is, yeah, I can also guide you on that. So not an issue. Also, user role management and item creation and item management.
Yeah.
Also, for functional suite bundle creation is also necessary. And then mainly technically you want basic knowledge of scripting as well, right? That is also you will require, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Because you're saying, like, you have to edit, or you have to do some coding, right? So that I have to add in this, because I'm thinking this is purely functional, not an issue. We will like we will have that basic knowledge as well.
Okay.
Anything else you want me to add into this PDF, or can you tell me, like, what type of projects are going on in your current company, so I can get a
Yeah.
backup.
Actually, it's a based on the pharmaceutical company. The Nilmed is a pharmaceutical company.
Right.
So, in some 10 years ago only, they just implemented NetSuite into their company. The already implementation is over. So
Okay, so they are a NetSuite partner, or they are doing business for some other client.
no, they're a NetSuite partner. They just
Okay,
direct some NetSuite people came and they implemented the NetSuite into their system directly.
okay,
So whatever,
right. Okay.
whenever they get some problem, and they will send it to shoot the mail to the NetSuite people. They only some maintain
Cases,
their
yeah,
database and everything. They only solve and everything. But we also, they also have
right,
people who have some knowledge of the programming and everything in the company.
right, right. So they are using NetSuite for their internal business purpose, right? Internal maintaining their business only,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay, not an issue. Okay, sure. So, okay, so
So that's
this
true.
is.
I didn't put any some much experience on NetSuite. I told them, so I have some 2 years of experience on NetSuite, because where I worked with the previous company, there are
Mhm,
also some solar company, solar panels manufacturing, and as well as the distribution company. So
mhm,
that time I just worked with that company in the NetSuite. They are also migrated some Oracle to NetSuite. That time I have some small
right,
idea. Some,
right.
so based on that, I just applied to this company. So these people are interested to take me into as a functional
Consultant.
consultant. So before they're going to finalize an appointment, some interview and everything, I have to know at least something to manage the interview.
Yes, 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 definitely. You
So
have to. Yes.
I know how to use this and all fields and everything, but I don't know some much deeper about the how it's going to run and everything. So I just
Yeah,
want.
definitely. Yeah, definitely. For interview cracking purpose, and also for to help you in future, I will definitely guide you. Not an issue. So,
Okay.
do you want to me to start from today itself, or
First, I
just?
want, yeah,
Hmm.
give me the demo first today, and
Mm-hmm.
I want to under how many what topics you are going to
Right.
cover,
Yeah.
and how many days it takes, and what is after if I got the job, and what about my future support and everything. Definitely, if I got job in this company, definitely I need support some few months, few days also. So
Okay.
I'm going to give that one and everything. Some I have anyway. I want that and all.
Right, right. Okay, okay. So first thing, I have given this basic topics PDF to you, and I have included 40 hours for that. So if you are going to conduct our session on Saturday, Sundays, 2 hours, it will take almost 10 weeks, right, to complete this. And if you want daily session, then can you let me your timings so I can adjust that?
Daily session means maybe it's not possible, Tushar, because morning I woke up at 5 o'clock and I come back at
So
7:30 or something around that time. Because after I come,
11:30 night, right?
yeah, 7:30 night. After 7:30,
7:30.
yeah,
Hmm.
every day 7:30. So maybe 7:30 means I have to take care of my kid and some prepare some food means until 8. After 8,
Right, right, right.
yeah, after 8 I'm free. But after 8 means
After
that,
8 means my time 9:30 morning, right?
yes, yes, in the morning 9:30 your timing off.
So what we will do, if sometimes it is possible for me, then I will email you, or I will tell Rao to contact with you, and then we can have a session on morning as well. If you
Okay.
are comfortable and I'm also comfortable, then we will do that.
Yeah, let's see. We will once, okay, if the finalize and classes and everything, the timings and everything is if the finalize, we can work it out on the which day, and okay, if
Yes, yes,
we,
yes, yes.
we can
Okay.
do it next day. If I am busy, then we can do on the day after tomorrow, something like that. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Sure, sure. Because I just wanted to, yeah, know about that, because if in a week we have covered 4 hours, we will cover, if we will cover 4 hours, then it will take 10 weeks almost, right? And you also told me about the scripting part, so I have to add that as well. We can manage it in 45 hours total. So it will take more 1 week then. So 11 weeks mostly. If we conduct session on Saturday, Sunday only. Okay.
Okay. How many hours each class is it? Are you going to take 1 hour, and are you going to take 2 hours, or
Yeah,
what?
it is depend upon you and my convenience, right? But at least 1 hour we will require, right?
Okay. Okay.
But Saturday, Sunday, then I will prefer 2 hours. So
Oh, okay. Okay.
1:30 to 2 hours, right? Okay.
Okay. Okay. And what
Okay.
you are going to cover all the some under. I don't know any. I don't. I know how to ERP and how the process is going to in the manufacturing companies. This and all I don't know because I work with the solar panels manufacturing company as well as this is my second company with some pharmaceutical company. I know
So
what
in
is.
solar, yeah, right, right. You know the process flow. You
Yeah.
know how to use the system, but
Yeah.
you don't know the background process, or you don't know how to apply, like how to create a new fields or apply to the forms or customization like that, right?
Yes.
You
Yes.
know
Yes.
the flow only, right? So
Until
you
now,
know the.
manager
Hmm.
only. Until now, I'm just like a sales people, finance people, like HR people. Like I'm just only user to use NetSuite.
One department, yeah,
Yes. Only one.
right, right.
Yeah.
One department. So you know lead to code to cash process, just basic how it is going how it is implemented in NetSuite. You know
Yes,
about that
yeah, how it convert lead to quote
customer and then
customer and
right,
net, yeah, it's how it convert to quote. I have some idea.
right,
Definitely
right.
have some idea. I don't have any something, but definitely I have. If you tell something, definitely I can catch it because this
Yes,
all
yes.
used every day in my company. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are used to it. Right, right, right. Got it, got it. So yeah. I will give you an introduction about the topics what we are going to conduct. Basically, NetSuite. So I will just give you a basic idea of NetSuite. So NetSuite consisting of three parts: ERP, CRM, and e-commerce. Right.
yes,
Yeah. So all in under one platform. So that is very huge advantage for the NetSuite. So uh, we are going to like NetSuite has a three instances as per the client requirement actually. So I don't know in your company maybe there are only two instances like sandbox and production, right? Or there is one QA instance as well.
so, can you ask again? I didn't hear you clearly.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Can you see my NetSuite
Yeah.
screen?
Yes, yes, I have seen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is a demo account, so it is considered as a NA1, right? So
Okay.
this represented it is a demo account.
Okay.
Uh, I will show you my company account that is a sandbox account.
Okay.
So I have a tab over here which is sandbox. So this is a sandbox account. It is like in URL you can see a sandbox, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So So these are nothing but the different instances of a NetSuite, right? For training purpose, we generally use a demo account. For sandbox, which is for development, means if you want to develop first, and if you want to, if you don't want to like, just a second. Yeah, so I'm logged in. So if you don't want to break a live data, or if you don't want to touch live data, then you have to first develop or you have to customize the things in a sandbox account. So NetSuite provides sandbox account, right? So it
Okay.
is called as an development, it is called as an development sandbox account. So maybe as per the client need, we have one more sandbox account which is called as an ITQA sandbox account,
Okay.
right? So after development, suppose we did something like we have created one form, we have added some fields and some records. We also did some workflows and scripting on that form, and we have to push that. We have tested in sandbox dev, right? We have did the development in sandbox itself, and we have to test that. So we first test in sandbox dev, and if client wants second level of testing, then we push that development into sandbox QA environment. So according to the sandbox, according to the client need, they will also create a second instance of sandbox, which is called as an ITQA, or whatever the name they will give, like QA. So in that second level of testing will done under that ITQA, and then we generally push everything into production account. So production is nothing but a live account, uh, which is customer is directly accessing that account, right? So
Okay.
sandbox is nothing but a testing account, development account, and then ITQA. So these are the three different instances we can create for one account. Under one license, we can create these three instances, and then for these instances, we can have a different rules, right?
Okay.
Do you know about the roles? If you take an example of your previous company, if you are doing a sales like sales type of work, then maybe your role has been a sales manager or maybe salesperson, so
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
Right. So if I have to assign a role to some person, then you have to first create an employee record of that first person. So I will just, okay, I will show in my demo account.
Yeah, everybody has
Uh,
their own ID and password to log into company or something.
yes. So I'm just give you an example how to create an employee record. So these are the basic. This is the basic employee form, and these are the mandatory fields. So if you have to enter your name and then which subsidiary you are belongs to, right? For which subsidiary you want this employee record. So in my demo account, these subsidiaries are already set up. I will let you know how to set up and how to create that subsidiary afterwards. But I'm just giving a role background because we are talking about the instances. So I just wanted to give you this background. So subsidiary you can select as per your role, and then you have to enter a basic information whichever are the mandatory fields, and then access is the main tab. You have to click a give access to give a access to that particular employee record, and then you have to set up a password for your account, whichever password you want. You can, these are the rules for the password. NetSuite has already given here, and then you can choose a role. These roles are already created in NetSuite. You can create a role through setup, user roles, manage users, manage roles, right? So you can create a new role from here. Users are nothing but employee records which has been created, right?
Okay.
Okay, let me know if I'm going too fast or too slow,
No, no, no.
right?
Whatever you are
Yeah.
telling, because I've seen the some accounting
Yes.
people, HR people, whatever they are using in the company.
Yes.
It's just
Yeah.
connecting me, but okay, right now. Wait a minute, 1 minute. Sorry, I'm so
Sure,
sorry.
sure. No problem.
Hello? Yeah, it's, yeah, going on. I already give it to you, link. Same, same ID and password. పంపించాను అది iPad లో డౌన్లోడ్ చేశాను అది యాప్ జస్ట్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసినప్పటి దానికి మనకి నో నీడ్ ఐడి అండ్ పాస్వర్డ్ జస్ట్ మనం జాయిన్ మీటింగ్ అని చెప్పంటే అది వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన ప్రొవైడ్ చేసిన ఐడియా అడుగుతుంది అది ఎంటర్ చేయగానే మనం మీటింగ్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతున్నాం అనమాట ఆల్రెడీ 15 minutes అవుతుంది స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి యా జస్ట్ కనెక్ట్ రండి రండి వచ్చి చూడండి ఒకసారి సరే నా దాంట్లో లాగిన్ అవ్వండి నా ఈమెయిల్లో ఉంది కదా ఆల్రెడీ నా దాంట్లో లాగిన్ అయితే మీకు అక్కడ ఐడి అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి లాగిన్ అయితే చూడండి సరే మరి ఓకే బాయ్ సారీ ఓకే కంటిన్యూ ఓకే ఐఎమ్ సో సారీ
Okay, no problem. Okay, no
యా
problem. Yeah. Okay. So, so you can create role by using setup, manage users. These are the users, nothing but the employee records you have created. You can see list of users here. So these are the employee records, nothing but the employee records. And you can assign a role to these employees or to these users. So if you have to create a role, you can give a role name like that. Here is application engineer or technical support engineer. According to the client need, if they give us a list of roles that we have to create in NetSuite, you can create through here. Again, you can assign a subsidiary over here, and then permissions according to the role you have to assign from here. Okay, so I'm just telling you how to create a role. So these are the different permission. We will see that later. So role, I have already different types of roles set up in my account. You can assign that particular role to this employee, right? So this after saving this form, the employee records has been created, gets created, and then that role is particular role is assigned to that employee. And then according to like after login, you can use this password to get login, and your username will be your email ID, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So like that, I can show you the employee list over here, which is already set up in my account. Okay, so this is the basic employment information filled by these employees. You can see the whole data over here.
Okay.
Okay, and then if you see Alex, it is just a name. You can find here Alex. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you this. So this is already created employee record. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So my ID is assigned here, and then these are the roles which is assigned to this user. So if you log in with this user, you will see these roles, right?
Okay. New sales assistant manager. Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Administrator. Yeah. So these roles are here. So you can easily go from one role to another. So I'm in administrator. So I can see these permissions and roles assigned to me. But according to the role, now I'm going to change my role as a partner center. I have just clicked on partner center. So according to your role, this dashboard get appear, right? So whatever permission you have, you will only see that portion here.
Okay.
So
We can
now,
there if you want to see go on some other departments, we cannot see because you don't
right.
this.
Have that permission, right? Yes. So you can see only customer in your dashboard. You can see reports. You cannot see any tabs over here because that is not assigned to your role, right?
Okay. Understood.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are the customer permission you have for this role. These are the report permission and partner only, because this is the partner center role, right?
Okay.
I have to go to sales rep. Then maybe there are some tabs. Yeah, there are some tabs. So forecasting, I think sales representative will do the forecasting. So they have access to forecasting and the reports for sales related reports only, right? Forecast by quota, forecast by department, only sales related stuff he can see, and he can see only limited tabs, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you how this permission gets set, right? So we have see partner center role, right? So I have to just search for the partner center role. So this is the advanced partner center role, not an issue. We can see that how the permissions set to this role. Oh, so yeah, this is better. So I got the error from system permission violation. You need the list partners permission to access this page, right? Because I'm opening that advanced partner role from my sales rep role. So I have to switch to admin role. Otherwise, I have to give a permission to permission for the list, whatever they have said here. The system has popping.
Who
This
is the
partner, because
authorization to
that
give the?
role
No, I'm just interrupting. Who is the author? Who has the authorizations to give permissions to users? The administrator or some other any business?
Administrator.
Next.
Yeah, like some administrator always have all full permission for all the right, all the tabs and all the entities and all transaction. But there may be other business role you have defined. You can define that role as per your business need, right? So you have already defined some eco administrator, or this name this name can be changed depend upon your business need. So basically administrator, like all business needs administrator role. So administrator has whole permission, and you can also set up a new role like a business administrator who will assign a permission to, or who can see a permission, who can edit a permission, who has a full access to the whatever business people has, right?
Okay.
So you can define that role as per your need. So first I have to switch to administrator role, and then I can see a role wise permission for each role, right? So I'm switching to administrator role. So I want a partner center, right? So I'm going to open that. So this is a partner role. So this is a user actually, right? So I want a role. So I want list of roles over here. So did you get a difference between user and roles, right?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
user are nothing but the employee record, and roles are nothing but the whatever roles we have created and assigned to that particular employee record, right? So
Okay.
one user can have a multiple roles. As I show you, I have a different roles over here. So you
Obviously,
can see
yeah.
for Becky, Becky is a one employee record, and Becky has a different roles assigned to her or him, whatever. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the main difference. So if you want to see any kind of role, so these roles are inactive. You can see here, right?
Okay.
So this is an inactive checkbox. You can click here and you can submit here. It will get inactive.
Oh, okay. Yep. Okay. Senior control warehouse. Okay.
So I wanted to see partner role. So I have to just go to next list. Any sales center. Okay, we will see partner center. Okay, so partner center. So permissions, right?
Okay.
So it has only one transaction permission, which is a find transaction, right? So you
Yes.
can give a permission from here. It is a standard NetSuite permissions. You can select from the list, and you can give the access level. So for this role, access level, there are three different level: view, edit, and full,
Okay.
right? So
Yeah.
I have yeah, it is assigned view. For reports, you have seen that in a dashboard there are different report permission, and there are different report for that particular role dashboard, right? For partner center. So because of this permission, that dashboard is coming with the different types of reports, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So for the report also, a partner center has only view permission. For the list means here you can see relationships. Like in relationship, different entities are there: leads, customers, projects, contacts, group, partner. So this permission you can set from here, right? So it has a customer edit permission because it's a partner center role. It has a partner's permission, full permission, because it is a partner center role. Like as per the name, you can see the permissions given to that role, right? So business people understand what this role belongs to exactly, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So it has a perform search permission as well, project template permission, project different promotion permission, because it is a partner center role. If partner has a different promotion activities to be done, so it has a promotion permission as well. Setup. Setup means it has a web services permission, full web services permission, deleted record permission. So like that. So you can give permission from here, custom record permission. So custom record, we will have that in different session. But just these custom records we have created, or this account has this different custom records. So we can create our own record, which is called a custom record in NetSuite. So we can customize it. So that is named as custom record. So
Okay.
yeah. So this custom record assigned to this role. So according to this, if you want to do a new implementation for the new client, you can set up a user, you can set up a roles, and client will definitely provide you a permission list or whatever for each role, and then you can set up role and you can assign permission according to the client's requirement, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So like that, we will going to cover this like introduction. Most of the we will cover in our ongoing session. Whatever introduction I will as per the topics, I will give the basic introduction about that. So it is not going to a single session. It is continuous session according to the topic, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I know. I know.
And then setup and basic flow means I'm going to cover a dashboard. Here is the dashboard. So I have shown you a partner center dashboard. So how we can set up a dashboard in NetSuite, I will also cover that. So this is the dashboard. Basically, I will show you how to set up a search over here, how to pull a report from any save search and show to here according to the role. So that particular role, no need to go to NetSuite and then find the customers. You can easily perform a search on customer, and you can display that list of search result of search in your dashboard. So I'm going to cover that as well. You can see this dashboard. You can personalize this dashboard according to the KPI meter if you want to add a KPI meter. So I will also show you that how to add a KPI
The
meter.
performance indicator. I know that one.
Yes, key point indicator. Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then I also give you knowledge about custom search, how to create a custom search, and how to apply that search to dashboard, so that search will get displayed on your dashboard on according to the role. Okay. So
Okay.
if salesperson want to know in his dashboard, like directly want a list of customers whose sales order has been completed, so I can create a search in NetSuite on the customer record. There is a sales order fulfillment. We can check if it is fulfilled or not, and we can create a search, and we can display that search directly on that salesperson or sales manager dashboard. So it will always easy for that salesperson to see that search on a dashboard and see which customers this sales order has been completed. So no need to go to each customer and see, right? It is already on his or her dashboard, so it is very easy for them. So I will give you introduction, and I will show you how to set up this custom search and all that.
Okay.
So this is about dashboard and set preferences. Here only you can see there is a set preference link over here. You can set up a preferences according to the client need and according to your need. So I will also guide you according to the different areas of the preferences, like general, appearance, transaction, and custom preferences. Okay.
Okay.
This will be our new topic. And then opportunity forecasting. I will show you how to create the opportunity and then the forecasting. And then the lead to quote to CAT process. I think you know about that, and I will show you how to go from lead to prospect to customer, and then create a sales order for a particular customer, and then from sales order how
Yeah,
to
Tushar, I'm sorry for
yes,
interrupting. The
no
meeting is
problem.
going to end by 4 minutes. If you want to continue still demo, and we will re-log in. Or relog
Sorry,
in. The session
2 minutes it will.
2 minutes will be finished. And before that, you can check the timings also. What time are you comfortable and week?
Okay.
Yeah, tomorrow's timing, right?
Yeah,
Sure.
the timings from weekends. What time are you comfortable, Prasanna and Tushar?
Weekends or anytime I'm flexible, Raghu. But weekdays means we have to discuss. And weekends and anytime I'm flexible. Whatever time available.
Morning 8 to 12, right?
Yeah, morning 8 to 12 or anytime.
Okay. Okay. Generally, we will have session at 10 to 11 or 11:30 or
Of India
12
time.
at morning.
10 to 11:30
Yes,
of India
India
time.
time. Yes, yes, yes. India
Oh,
time.
okay. And Tushar, I want to know more about you. Actually, are you working with the NetSuite or are you working with the client? And
Yes,
which
yes.
you are working right now?
Only.
Which company?
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So I will give you my background. I have total 6.5 years of experience, in which 4.5 years in NetSuite and 2 years in web development.
Okay.
And I'm currently working as a NetSuite techno-functional consultant
Okay.
in Tech Mahindra.
Tech Mahindra. Okay.
Yeah.
So that means you're not working with the client. You're working with the NetSuite company.
No, I'm working with client as well, and I'm a technical lead in Tech Mahindra, so I'm handling multiple projects, different clients. Right?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So, and actually, I told you, now it's a NeilMed is a pharmaceutical company. So there,
Right.
long back onwards, it's a some NetSuite. So
Mhm.
how much knowledge do I need to have for face an interview? and that too I am just putting only 2 years of experience, and I will send you. Okay, if I want to take a class from you, I will, before that I want to send it to you. Whatever I am sending to the company resume, I will send it to you. So
Yes, yes,
you can assume, okay, how much knowledge do I need to have and how much support do I need to have in
yeah,
the future once I got a job and everything. Definitely, you get
yes,
an idea after seeing
yeah, I
my
will guide. Yeah,
thing.
I will guide. Yes, perfect.
Yeah. So and what else? Okay, and one more thing, Tushar. Okay, if I want
Yeah,
to this, because we know some other IBM tools, HP tools, we have the some 1 month of free trial or something like that. We can install in our systems and we can practice like that. Like that, NetSuite also, is there any availability to like that do?
yeah.
Like
According to the company, like you have to give a company email ID and your company name and your details. So
okay,
NetSuite will analyze that, and NetSuite will provide you a demo account. I think that is sufficient for you. So
oh
yeah, but it will take some time, 5 to 6 days to verification and getting the details about that account.
okay.
So you can, yeah, you can search online NetSuite demo account and you can easily get that. At least for 14 to 15 days you will get that. But if you want more than that, then you have to give a company email ID and all that, and NetSuite will provide you.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. And what else?
But if your company using NetSuite, they definitely have some demo account. You can also,
Yeah, Tushar,
yeah,
we can rejoin. Okay, I'm closing the meeting.
no problem, no.
We will rejoin.
On the bridge, I don't
Yes.
have link.
No, no, same meeting number what I told you, that one.